In the figure above, the length of line segment BD equals 6 and the length of line segment AD equals 8. What is the length of line segment DC? This concept keeps coming up, so I hope at this point in time you really mastered the formulas that I gave you about this, and focusing on what we're given. BD equals 6, so the length we're given, the hypotenuse, really the altitude is given to us as 6. So I'm going to write it in. We're given AD is 8 right here, and we're looking for DC, this guy right here. Let me call it Y, as we called it Y in this setup here. So given those three, the equation to go with would be the altitude equation, which says the altitude squared equals the two quantities multiplied together, x times y. So in our case, we would have 6 squared, or maybe I should say x so you can follow along better. So here we have the h is given as 6 squared equals the x value is known to us as 8, and we're looking for y. So using algebra, 36 equals 8y. Simply divide both sides by 8, and you find that y equals 4.5, if you will. But if you prefer fractions, then when you simplify the fraction, it ends up being 9/2. So either this or this for your answer is perfectly acceptable. And that's it. Boom shakalaka.